What's the meaning of archduke? Archduke. Archduke.
Archduke. Archduke. Archduke is a title given to a prince of the royal family in some European monarchies, especially in Austria. The archduke held a higher rank than a duke, but lower than a grand duke or a prince. The term was first used in medieval times to designate powerful rulers of the Holy Roman Empire, and the title was later adopted by other monarchies, including the Habsburg dynasty in Austria. Archdukes were often given important political or military positions within their respective countries, and were usually members of the ruling dynasties.